him and his leads, I've been able to close about 15 jobs, 5 times the ROI, which is insane. Hey guys, my name is Karan. I'm with MCM Closet Organizers, my business. I've been working with Felix for about 4 months now. Again, prior to Felix, I was advertising through lawn signs, Facebook Marketplace ad. It was kind of just all over the place and it wasn't as effective. And as soon as I got in touch with him, he started running all the ads for me, getting me new leads, following up with the leads. His whole process has worked out amazing for my business thus far. In the past 4 months, through him and his leads, I've been able to close about 15 jobs, netting me 5 times the ROI, which is insane. Um, so far working with him has been easygoing. Everything is collected in order and organized, which is important. Um, and yeah, anyone who's looking to take their business to the next level, I would definitely suggest to get in touch with Aimeazy Agency and talk to Felix and just take it to the next level with him because he can definitely help you out with that.